Hello everybody, I am Madhvi Meenakshi. I have 15 years of experience in teaching English in state syllabus as well as central syllabus. Okay, I found in my teaching there is one particular skill which help us to develop by all means. That is nothing but communication skills. What is communication? Communication means just expressing our views and ideas to be clear that other person must understand what you want to convey. That is communication skill. Okay, first tell me, are you perfect in your mother tongue? Yes, then it is very easy to learn English or any language. Okay, when you are perfect in your mother tongue, when you are capable of communicate with the people in your language, that is enough, because the pattern for every language is almost the same, but just language is different. I will make you easy to learn. I am here to help you to get English very easily. Okay. And what is learning English? English is not only spoken English or not only written English. Generally in the schools, writing work is more because they don't know that the student is reading or not. If they write, while writing they read. That is why people are given writing work more. But only with writing work, nobody can learn. So English, any language means not only speaking, L, S or W, listening, speaking, reading and writing. Listening skills also compulsory, and speaking, reading, writing. Every skill is important to learn the language perfectly. If we don't learn the language perfectly, what is the problem? The problem is whatever you want to convey, you can't convey perfectly with the same meaning what you want to convey. For example, you want to say that you have completed some work, but you don't know past tense, present tense, future tense. So what you say? I am reading, you will say. I have read, you have to say. That is the difference. So you must know the grammar also. So these all skills, if you know, it will be very easy to learn the language. Okay, let us come to the point. What is special in my videos? Concept wise teaching. Every concept will be taught from the basics itself, so that everybody, those who doesn't have any basic level knowledge also, they can learn easily every concept. Concept wise, if you go slowly you will get the language. And second one is creative ways of explanation. Explanation also not in the routine way. We will forget the routine style of studying. Okay, we will learn in a creative way. It will be interesting. And workouts with the idioms and phrases. Idioms and phrases, many people feel they are very tough to learn, but very easy. Daily 1 or 2 daily dose like. Okay, with that also, if we go with some examples, it will be easy to remember. Okay, that is the way we follow. And techniques to learn or remember certain points. So some points are there, some vocabulary or some grammar points. You may forget them. For that, what we do is techniques I will give you. Okay, some techniques to remember, so that you will remember that very easily. Okay, if you want, I will use Telugu also in your mother tongue. In our mother tongue we will talk, no problem. I will make you understand very clearly. Okay, and tips to write poems and stories on your own. After attending some of my classes, maximum 1 or 2 months, if you follow my classes, you will be able to write your own poems and own stories. For that also some tips I will give you. Okay, and tools to get the pattern of the discourses. Discourses you know very well. Letter writing, passage writing, and interviews, whatever it may be. Discourses, we have so many major discourses, minor discourses. To write the discourses, many children I found in my teaching, they get a little confusion in the pattern, like that. So I will make it very easy. For that also some techniques I will give you. Okay. And figures of speech. Figures of speech very easy, sir. Easily you can learn. Okay. Every figure of speech with many examples I will teach you. I will make you learn very easily. And communication skills, that is not least, not last. Okay, that is very important. Many job opportunities are there with our communication skills. Okay, so these all are the important points of my videos, and keep in touch with me. We will rock. Okay.